You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases from Scottish. We'll be also looking at more vocabulary from Scotland, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne, Auld Lang Syne, times long past is what it means. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.